video of NIOS Senior Secondary Course Maths. We are going to cover Check Your Progress 1.3 and Term. I would like you to subscribe to the channel to get the notifications on time and give it a thumbs up if you like the content and share it with your friends. If you want to see other topics of the same chapter sets, you can visit the playlist where it is mentioned as sets. Do go and check there. Also, those who are new here, I have videos on computer science and NIOS Senior Secondary Course, English, and some vocabulary contents also. Please do go and check it there, the playlist. Check Your Progress 1.3 first question we are going to see. Check which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint and which are not. So you have to find out which sets are, which pair of sets. That means you have got two sets. This is one set, this is another set. Find out which are disjoint and which are not. So first one has x is an even natural number. That means the natural number starts with 1 and the elements, even elements are 2, 4, 6, 8 and it goes on like this. And y is an odd natural number. So the set it starts with 1, then comes 3, then comes 5, then comes 7, then comes 9 and it goes on like this. So these are the two sets. So you have to say whether they are disjoint or not. So if you see here, all are even elements and here all are odd elements. They are not going to have a common element in them. So this set we can say it is a disjoint set. First one is disjoint set. Let's mention it as disjoint D. Next question, second question is x is prime number and divisor of 12. So let's find out first prime numbers in the list. So if it is prime number, numbers would be 2, 3, then 5, 7, 11, goes on. The list goes on. And then divisor of 12. That means it should get divided by 12. So 2 and 3 are possible. 5, 7 not possible. 11 also not possible. So we can take 2 and 3 out of this list. These are the two numbers that we got in the set. And the list goes on. Okay. And next set says y belongs to natural number and the condition is this. That means the set contains 3, 4 and 5. So if you take this and this set, you can find out similar elements. 3 is common in both of them. So this way we can say, since we have got one element as common, this both sets, that is this pair of sets, are not disjoint. This is not disjoint set. Question is, x is king of 52 playing cards. So you have got 4 kings. One is king of spade, king of diamond, king of club and king of heart. So 4 kings are available where x represent them and y is diamond of 52 cards. That means you have got diamond of cards available from 2 to 10, then king, J, K, J, Q and A. So all has diamond symbol. In that case, if you take both of them, the king of diamond, the diamond which has a king symbol will be the common one out of this. So this set is also not a disjoint set since they have a common element in them. Elements are this and this. So they doesn't have any of the common elements. So we can see this is a disjoint set. So if you take in total, this set is disjoint and the first one is a disjoint set. The second one had a common element, so not disjoint, and this one also not disjoint. Let's check the second question. Find the intersection of A and B in each of the following. So A is set that belongs to integers, B is another set where they belong to natural numbers, we have to find intersection of both the sets. First set has integer numbers. So if you say a is equal to -3, -2, it starts -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, the list goes on. And this another set has natural numbers. So that means natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, it goes on. Now if you find intersection of A and B, that means the common between both the sets are starting from 1, 2, 3, and the list goes on. That means it is similar to your B set. So B is the set that has the similar elements of your intersection of A and B. Okay, so this is the answer. So this X belongs to natural number would be the answer for this question. Next question is Ram, Rahim, Govind, Gautam, Sita, Meera, Fatima, Anprit. So out of this, if you find intersection of both of them, A intersection B, it would be a disjoint set. Next, third question is given that A is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find out what is A union B and A intersection B. So first part is A union B. So you have to list out all the elements of your A set that we have already done and write down everything from B. And if the common exists, that means we have 5 common here. Write it once and then write rest of the numbers in the list. This is A union B. If you go for intersection, the set would be 5. The common element is 5. Fourth question, if A is natural number and B belongs to integer, and this is the condition that has to be satisfied, that is y should start with -10 until 0. That condition has to be satisfied, and then you have to find out what is A union B, and you have to write in the roster form and set builder form your answer. A belongs to natural number, so A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it goes on. Then B, where you have got elements and this condition to be satisfied, so -10, -9, -8, it goes on, list goes on till 0. Okay, so these are the 2 sets. Now you have to find out A union B. So if you find A union B, it will be combination of both, that is -10, -9, -8, -7 goes on 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is the A union of B. Now you have to write it in roster form and set builder form. So when you write it roster form, this is the answer where you have to mention all the elements in between: -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, everything, and then the list goes on. And if you write in set builder form, you can write it as this: X, or where X are the elements, X belongs to integers, and this is the condition where X lies between infinity and -10. A union B. Okay, so this is the solution in the set builder form. Fifth question says A, B and C are given here. Find out A union in bracket B union C. So first find B union C. Okay, so if you find B union C, output would be 8, 10, 12, 14. So 8, 10, 12, 14, and 14 is repetition here, no need to write it again. then comes 16, 18 and 20. This is B union C. Now you have got, this is a new set and you have to find out A union B union C. So now check this set and this set union. So A union B union C will give you, now check this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let me write it, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. After that 8, 10 are repetition right from here, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So this is the solution of your first one. This is the solution, set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. B intersection C. Now find A intersection B intersection C. So first we have to get B intersection C set. So B intersection C, if you see 8, 10, 12, 14. So 14 is a common element. So 14 is the element in B intersection C. Now A intersection also you have to take. So consider this set and this set. In that case, you don't have any of the common elements. So in intersection B intersection C will give you a 5 or a disjoint set. Okay, nothing is common. Let's move on to sixth question, that is U is universal set. 1 to 10 are the elements and A set is even number starting with 2 to 10 and B has elements starting from 1 to 10. Odd numbers are included here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and also 10 is there. So A union B complement you have to find. To find A union B, first A union B has to be found out. So A union B will give you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. So starting from 1 to 10 elements are included in A union B. You have to find out the complement of this given set. So in that case, complement of this set will be a disjoint set, that is not included in the universal set. Complement is something which is not included in the universal set, that is all elements are included, other than this only disjoint is possible. If you have reached till this, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. A intersection B complement. So find out what is A intersection B. A intersection B has common element as 10. So 10 is the element common in this and complement of this intersection B complement. So A intersection B will give you 10 and complement of that would be a set without this 10 from the universal, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, not 10. Okay, so this is the new set that is created after A intersection B complement. Okay, next one is B complement of complement. So let's check how it comes. B complement you have to find by removing the element of B from this universal set. So it would be 2, then comes 4, then comes 6, then 8 and don't include 9 and 10. So you will get this set as the element of B complement. Now again find complement of that. So that would give you, remove these elements from your universal set. So that would be 1, don't include 2, include 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the new created set where it says B complement of complement is this is the solution for that. B minus A. So find, you have these elements here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Subtract these elements from this. That means include these elements and remove out any elements which is available here. So you have got similarly 10 here. So the new set would be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is B minus A, and include the complement of this. So complement of this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is B minus A complement. Okay. Diagram for the following: A intersection B, where B is a subset of A. That means this is your universal set, and you have got two elements B and A. This is B and this is A, where B is subset of A. So A is the outer one, and intersection is required. So what is common in both of them? This shaded area comes as intersection of both of them. Then comes A intersection B, when A and B are disjoint sets. This is one universal set. A and B are disjoint. So A is this set and B is this set, where they doesn't have a common element. Next question is A intersection B, when both the sets are neither subsets of each other nor disjoint set. So if this is the universal set A and B, here A and B are there, here they are not disjoint, so they have common elements. So this area would be the output, and they are not subsets too. So this would be, this shaded area would be the answer for this. Next one is Venn diagram. Draw Venn diagram for the following: A union B, when A is a subset of B. That means this A is a subset, so A is inside B. This is universal set, and A intersection B you have to find out. So this is, sorry, not intersection, it is union. So this area as well as this whole area, this is the answer for this question. One is A union B, when A and B are disjoint sets. So diagram would be, Venn diagram will be looking like this: A and B disjoint. This is A, this is B, and this is universal set. And A union B will give you all the elements from A set and all the elements from B set. So this shaded portion shows you A union B in this case. Next one is A union B, when A and B are neither subsets of each other nor disjoint. So the diagram for this will be like this: A and B are neither subsets of each other nor disjoint. So find out A union B. In that case, you will have all the elements from A in addition to the common elements, and everything from B as well. So all the shaded portion shows you A union B in this case. Draw Venn diagram for the following: A minus B and B minus A, when A is a subset of B. So diagram of subset of A and B here, it looks like this: B here and A here. So in this case, A minus B, that is not possible, that is 5 empty set. B minus A would be B, and subtract this A from here. So this shaded portion will be the answer. Don't include this A set, just this is A. So the shaded portion is the answer for this B minus A. Next question, second question is A minus B and B minus A, when both are disjoint. So the diagram will change for this. since they are disjoint, they are not together. A minus B, this is set A, this is set B, and it's a universal set. A minus B, answer would be A itself, and B minus A will be B itself. This is the included answer for this one, and B is the result of that. Third condition is both are neither subset of each other or disjoint. So the diagram would be like here and here. A is the first set, B is the second set. A minus B. In this case, elements of A are included. Remove this B completely. So this shaded portion gives you the result. So only this is included. Don't include this common portion of B in that case. Okay. Next one is B minus A. Similarly, B is included. Remove the A portion. So this yellow region will give you the answer for this B without the A portion. So this complete set, this complete yellow region gives you the answer for B minus A.